Understanding. Wear your civic hat. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, wear your civic hat. This expression is rich in meaning and is often used in contexts that involve community involvement and public responsibility. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn more about civic engagement, you're in the right place. Wear your civic hat is a metaphorical expression. To understand it, let's break it down. Wear implies putting on or adopting something, not just in a physical sense but also metaphorically. Your indicates that this action is personal and individual. Civic relates to citizenship or community affairs. It's about being a responsible member of a community or society. Hat, in this context, represents a role or duty. Just like when you wear a physical hat, it's visible to others. Adopting a role influences how you are seen and how you act. Therefore, when someone says to wear your civic hat, they're encouraging you to adopt a mindset focused on community welfare and public duties. This phrase can be used in various scenarios, emphasizing the importance of community involvement or public service. Here are a few examples. In meetings or discussions about community projects, urging participants to think about the greater good. During voting seasons, to remind people of their responsibility to participate in elections for the betterment of society. In schools or educational settings, to encourage students to think about how they can contribute to their community. Using this phrase is a powerful way to remind ourselves and others that being part of a society means actively participating in its improvement and well-being. Let's look at some sentences using wear your civic hat. 1. As we discuss the new park development, let's all wear our civic hats and consider what's best for the entire community. 2. It's time to wear your civic hat and vote for the leaders who represent our values and needs. 3. When planning the fundraiser, we all need to wear our civic hats and think about how we can make a lasting impact. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, always highlighting the importance of community-focused thinking and action. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to wear your civic hat. It's a call to action, reminding us of the significant role we play in our communities and the collective effort required to create positive change. Remember, every small act of civic responsibility adds up to a substantial impact. So, let's all strive to wear our civic hats proudly and make a difference in our world. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful lessons on English language learning. See you in the next video.